Have you ever had the feeling that someone you care about is thinking of you, even when they're far away? What if there are subtle spiritual signs suggesting that someone, perhaps your ex or a distant friend, is thinking about you intensely? In this video, we will delve into the spiritual signs that someone is missing you intensely, signs that go beyond the realm of conventional communication. We'll explore the subtle whispers of the universe, the gentle nudges that hint at the existence of a profound connection that transcends the physical. From inexplicable sensations to vivid dreams, these signs serve as reminders that our emotional bonds can resonate on a deeper, spiritual level, weaving an intricate tapestry of energy that binds us together, even when we are apart. Sign 1: Dreams of Reunion, the soul's nocturnal rendezvous. Dreams have long been regarded as gateways to the unconscious mind, but Dolores Cannon's work offers a deeper perspective on their significance. She viewed dreams not merely as products of our subconscious, but as bridges that facilitate interdimensional communication between souls. When you dream of reuniting with someone, these dreams can be seen as spiritual visitations or messages from someone who deeply misses you. These dreams often occur when conventional waking interactions are not possible, providing a space where emotional and spiritual connections are reaffirmed beyond the limitations of the physical world. Our souls have the ability to connect and communicate with others during the dream state, transcending the boundaries of space and time. These dreams of reunion are not mere fantasies, they are profound spiritual experiences, reflecting real interactions between connected souls. Its manifestations in daily life. 1. Vivid reunions. You might find yourself immersed in a dream so vivid and detailed that it feels like a real-life encounter. In this dream, you are reunited with someone you care about deeply, embracing them, engaging in conversations, or sharing experiences as if they were physically present. These dreams could be manifestations of your souls connecting on a spiritual plane, allowing for a temporary reunion that transcends physical separation. 2. Symbolic meetings. Sometimes, dreams of reunion may take on a more symbolic or metaphorical form. You might find yourself in a familiar or unfamiliar setting, encountering someone you miss through symbolic representations or allegories. These symbolic dreams could be your soul's way of communicating the depth of your connection, using universal symbols and archetypes to convey profound messages. 3. Shared dream experiences. In rare instances, you and someone you share a deep connection with might have remarkably similar dreams, as if your souls were meeting and interacting within the same dream realm. These shared dream experiences could be powerful indicators of the profound spiritual bond you share, allowing your souls to commune and connect in ways that defy the constraints of the physical world. Sign 2: Persistent thoughts, the whispers of the soul. Have you ever found yourself inexplicably thinking about someone, even when there's no apparent reason for it? These persistent thoughts can be more than just fleeting memories or nostalgic musings. They could be the manifestation of a profound spiritual connection, a bond that was forged long before our current incarnations. These persistent thoughts may be rooted in what she termed soul contracts. These are agreements made between souls before they incarnate, designed to facilitate mutual growth, learning, and healing. When you find yourself continuously thinking about someone, it could be a sign that your soul is seeking to fulfill a deeper purpose, one that transcends the boundaries of your current physical existence. These persistent thoughts are not mere distractions, they are gentle reminders from the universe, nudging you to acknowledge the profound spiritual bond you share with this person. Its manifestations in daily life. 1. Sudden recollections. You might find yourself in the midst of a mundane task, like grocery shopping or commuting to work, when a vivid memory or thought about the person suddenly surfaces. It's as if your soul is gently tapping you on the shoulder, reminding you of the profound connection you share. 2. Daydreaming spells. While lost in thought or engaged in a routine activity, you may find your mind drifting towards this person, conjuring up memories, imagining conversations, or envisioning future scenarios involving them. These daydreaming spells could be your soul's way of keeping the connection alive and vibrant, even when physical proximity is lacking. 3. Intrusive thoughts. In moments of stillness or quiet contemplation, thoughts of this person may persistently intrude upon your consciousness, demanding your attention. It's as if your soul is adamant about keeping this connection at the forefront of your awareness, urging you to explore its deeper significance. Sign 3. Felt presence, the interdimensional embrace. Have you ever experienced a profound sense of someone's presence, so vivid and tangible that it felt as if they were right beside you, even though they were physically absent? Dolores Cannon's extensive work on the multidimensionality of soul existence offers a profound framework for understanding these experiences. According to Cannon, such experiences are not mere hallucinations or products of our imagination, rather, they could be genuine interdimensional interactions. These moments, where you sense someone's touch, hear their voice, or feel their presence so acutely, can be understood as real, tangible manifestations of the soul's ability to connect across different planes of existence. Cannon's teachings suggest that our souls exist simultaneously in multiple dimensions, and our physical reality is but one aspect of our multifaceted existence. When someone misses us deeply, their soul may reach out and connect with ours, bridging the gap between dimensions and allowing us to experience their presence in a profoundly visceral way. Its manifestations in daily life. 1. Phantom touches. You might be engaged in a solitary activity when you suddenly feel a gentle touch on your shoulder or a caress on your cheek. This sensation, so real and tangible, could be the manifestation of someone's soul reaching out to connect with yours, transcending physical boundaries. 2. Disembodied voices. Have you ever heard someone's voice call out your name or whisper a message, only to realize that you were alone in the room? These disembodied voices could be the result of a soul-level communication, where someone who misses you deeply is reaching out across dimensions to make their presence known. 3. Unmistakable presence. In moments of stillness or meditation, you may suddenly become acutely aware of an unmistakable presence surrounding you, as if someone you care about is right there beside you. This palpable sense of their energy could be a manifestation of their soul's interdimensional visitation, a profound connection that transcends the limitations of physical reality. Sign 4. Emotional resonance, the echoes of a shared connection. Have you ever experienced sudden, unexplained emotions that seem to come out of nowhere? A wave of joy, a pang of sadness, or a nostalgic feeling that washes over you without any apparent trigger. According to Dolores Cannon's teachings, these emotional resonances could be echoes of the emotional states of someone who shares a profound connection with you, someone who might be missing you intensely. Cannon explored the concept of emotional resonance, suggesting that our emotions can transcend the physical realm and connect across spiritual dimensions. When we form deep spiritual bonds with others, our emotional landscapes become intertwined, allowing us to experience feelings that originate not within us but within someone else who is deeply connected to our soul. These emotional resonances are powerful reminders of the shared spiritual bond that transcends physical separation. They serve as tangible manifestations of the interconnectedness of our emotional experiences, reminding us that our souls are intricately woven together, even when our physical bodies are miles apart. Its manifestations in daily life. 1. Unexpected mood swings. You might find yourself unexpectedly shifting from joy to sadness or from calm to agitation, without any apparent reason. These sudden mood changes could be the result of your emotional resonance with someone who is missing you and experiencing intense emotions of their own. 2. Overwhelming nostalgia. Have you ever been hit by a wave of nostalgia so intense that it felt like a physical force? This could be a sign that someone who shares a deep connection with you is reminiscing about your shared experiences, and their emotional energy is reverberating within you. 3. Inexplicable tears or laughter. Have you ever found yourself tearing up or bursting into laughter without any apparent trigger? These emotional outbursts could be a manifestation of your soul's ability to resonate with the emotional states of someone who is deeply missing you, allowing their emotions to flow through you as if they were your own. Sign 5. Physical sensations linked to others, the energetic ripples of connection. Have you ever experienced sudden physical sensations like sneezing, hiccups, or an inexplicable chill running down your spine? While we often dismiss these occurrences as mere coincidences or natural bodily responses, Dolores Cannon's teachings invite us to consider a deeper spiritual dimension to these experiences. According to Cannon, such physical sensations can be influenced by energetic shifts or connections as souls communicate through non-verbal means. When someone misses you deeply, their thoughts and emotional energy directed towards you can cause a ripple effect in your own energy field, manifesting as these seemingly inexplicable physical sensations. These sensations serve as reminders of the interconnectedness of all things, especially between those who share a deep karmic or soul-level bond. They are tangible reminders that our existence is intricately woven into a vast tapestry of energy, and the thoughts and emotions of those we are deeply connected to can have a profound impact on our physical experience. Its manifestations in daily life. 1. Unexpected sneezes. You might be engaged in a quiet activity, like reading a book or enjoying a peaceful walk, when a sudden, unexpected sneeze catches you by surprise. This involuntary physical response could be a manifestation of someone's intense longing for you, causing a ripple in your energy field. 2. Hiccup spells. Have you ever experienced a bout of hiccups that seem to come out of nowhere, refusing to subside despite your best efforts? These persistent hiccups could be a sign that someone who shares a deep connection with you is directing their thoughts and emotional energy towards you, resulting in an energetic disturbance within your body. 3. Chills and shivers. You might be basking in the warmth of a sunny day when suddenly a chill runs down your spine, causing you to shiver involuntarily. These inexplicable chills could be the result of a shift in your energy field, triggered by the intense emotions and thoughts of someone who is deeply missing your presence. Sign 6. Involuntary smiling, the soul's joyful recognition. Have you ever caught yourself smiling for no apparent reason, a spontaneous expression of joy that seemingly bubbled up from within? According to Dolores Cannon's teachings, these involuntary smiles could be a physical manifestation of your soul's recognition of the presence of someone you share a deep connection with, even when they are not physically present. Cannon emphasized that our souls have the ability to recognize and respond to the presence of other souls with whom we share profound bonds, even when they are not physically present. These involuntary smiles are not mere emotional responses, they are a soul-level recognition, reflecting the positive impact of this spiritual communion on our very essence. When someone who shares a deep spiritual bond with you misses you intensely, their thoughts and emotional energy might provoke a joyful response within your soul, manifesting as a spontaneous smile. This reaction is more than just an outward expression of happiness, it is a profound acknowledgement of the connection that exists between your souls, a celebration of the shared journey you are undertaking, even when separated by physical distance. Its manifestations in daily life. 1. Sudden grins. You might be engaged in a mundane task, like washing the dishes or sorting through paperwork, when a sudden, wide grin spreads across your face. This involuntary smile could be your soul's way of acknowledging the presence of someone who is missing you, as if reveling in the warmth of their thoughts and energy. 2. Inexplicable chuckles. Have you ever found yourself chuckling or giggling for no apparent reason, as if an invisible force has tickled your funny bone? These unexplained bursts of laughter could be manifestations of the joy your soul experiences when it senses the connection with someone who holds you dear. 3. Serene smiles. In moments of quiet contemplation or meditation, you may find a peaceful, serene smile effortlessly forming on your lips. This gentle expression could be your soul's way of basking in the presence of a beloved connection, acknowledging the profound bond that exists beyond the constraints of physical reality. Sign 7. Warmth in the heart, the radiant embrace of connection. Have you ever experienced a gentle, comforting warmth radiating from within your chest, a sensation akin to a loving embrace? This warmth, often experienced as a glowing sensation in the heart chakra, could be a profound spiritual manifestation of someone's deep longing for you. Dolores Cannon's insights into energy healing and the chakra system provide a valuable framework for understanding this phenomenon. The heart chakra, located in the center of the chest, is closely associated with our emotional and spiritual well-being. It serves as a gateway for the exchange of love, compassion, and profound connections. When someone misses you deeply, their thoughts and emotional energy focused on you can manifest as this warmth in your heart. It's as if their love and longing are being transmitted directly into your heart chakra, causing it to radiate and resonate with their energy. Its manifestations in daily life. 1. Sudden warmth in the chest. You might be going about your day, engaged in routine tasks, when suddenly you feel a gentle warmth blooming in your chest area. This warmth could be a sign that someone who shares a deep connection with you is sending their love and longing your way, activating your heart chakra. 2. Comforting embrace. The sensation of warmth in your heart may feel like a comforting embrace, as if someone's arms are wrapped around you, enveloping you in their love and affection. This feeling can be profoundly soothing, reminding you that even when you feel alone, a deep connection exists that transcends physical boundaries. 3. Radiating glow. In moments of stillness or meditation, you may become acutely aware of a subtle, radiating glow emanating from your heart area. This energetic vibration could be a manifestation of the love and longing someone holds for you, resonating with your heart chakra and filling you with a sense of profound connection. Conclusion. In our fast-paced, technologically driven world, it's easy to become disconnected from the subtle whispers of the universe and the profound spiritual bonds that enrich our lives. However, by attuning ourselves to the spiritual signs that someone is missing us, we can rediscover the depth and richness of our emotional and spiritual connections. Recognizing and embracing these spiritual signs can be a powerful act of reclaiming our connection to the unseen realms. It reminds us that we are not mere physical beings, but multidimensional souls engaged in a vast tapestry of energy and experience, forever intertwined with those who hold a special place in our hearts.